Coinbase stock price, steeply rising up out of this double bottom range to recontact previous highs around 189, which is only a moderate resistance level in comparison to these ranges in the low 200s, which can likely resist price firmly even if there's a continuation of strong bullish momentum. For longer-term stability, a deeper retracement would be ideal, though this might be avoided especially if price cannot close decisively under 163 by the end of the month. TeSLA stock price on its way to filling the recent gap down, meaning the 207 level is the most relevant upper boundary, which would best be surpassed with a more gradual incline approximating these Fibonacci arcs. And due to the gap down area also having reverse head and shoulders features, a scenario with a failed gap fill can still likely lead to price remaining relatively flat around the solid 186 level. Over the past week, price has significantly paused following the gap up, so if this kind of flat to bearish movement continues approaching March, dropping back near to the initial gap up price around 2040 can become much more likely. And of course, breaking under 2040 and the highest Fibonacci fan line can lead to a gap fill. That's why an overly bullish perspective would certainly want the chart to keep closing at or above 2345. Uber stock price recently passing a few extension levels, meaning the next boundary to cross is 84. And in the event of slowing bullish momentum leading to retracements, 74.65 around the gap up price is the lower boundary to watch. And unless there's a major bearish catalyst, the gap is unlikely to be filled since there's progressively stronger support into the low 70s.